Hi, I'm attorney Daniel Buckfire. In order to receive no-fault benefits from your insurance company, such as medical expenses, wage loss benefits, household services, or attendant care benefits, your treating physician must complete what is called an attending physician's report. Today, I'm going to show you what a properly completed attending physician's report looks like.
This is the attending physician's report. It is the form that should be completed by your treating doctor and submitted to your no-fault insurance company along with other requests for benefits. It is the form that provides evidence to the insurance company that you were injured in the auto accident and that you suffered disabilities as a result of your accident. Typically, you provide a blank copy of this form to your treating doctor, or quite often, the insurance company's adjuster will send a blank form to your doctor. Your doctor should then complete the form and either return it directly to the insurance company or provide it to you so that you can submit it to the insurance company yourself. These forms should be completed on a periodic basis. For example, every several months by your physician to verify your continuing injuries, treatment, and disabilities. Your doctor should indicate your occupation or job description at the time of the accident. If you were unemployed, looking for a job, or if you were a seasonal employee that was not working at the time of the accident, your doctor should include that information in the occupation job description section. You still may be entitled to wage loss benefits in those circumstances. In the next part of the form, your doctor should indicate how the accident happened as described by you and then list his or her diagnosis of your injuries. In the next section, your doctor should indicate when your symptoms first appeared. Quite often, this is the actual accident date itself. But in many cases, these symptoms may not appear for days or weeks after the accident. The doctor should then indicate when you first consulted with this doctor for the condition. In the next section, your doctor should indicate whether he or she ever treated you before the date that you consulted with a doctor for your post-accident condition. Many times, this doctor may be your family doctor or an internist that you may have seen for years before the date of the accident, but had never treated for this condition until after the accident. If the doctor had treated you before this date, it should be indicated on the form, and the last date of treatment should be stated. In the next section, the doctor must indicate whether or not you had the same or similar condition before the accident. For example, if you injured your back in a car accident, but had prior complaints of back pain 3 years before the accident, the doctor should indicate that on the form. You may still be entitled to your benefits if you suffered an aggravation or exacerbation of a previous injury, or if this is a totally new injury, you would qualify for benefits. The next section of the form refers to the replacement or household services benefits that you may be entitled to. Your doctor should indicate whether or not you are able to perform your routine household chores, which would include doing laundry, cleaning the house, vacuuming, mowing the lawn, or other typical household chores. If you're unable to do these things as a result of your injuries in the accident, your doctor should indicate so in the form and provide an estimate as to the length of your disability from these chores. This estimate or projection may change based upon your progress from treatment or the need for other or additional medical treatment. If you're unable to perform these routine household chores, your insurance company must pay you $20 per day to have these services performed by someone else. And this benefit lasts up to 3 years after the date of the accident from your no-fault insurance company. In the next section of the attending physician's report, your doctor should indicate whether or not you require attendant care. These are services provided either by a professional staffing agency or a family member to assist you with various needs with regards to your personal care while you are recovering from your injuries. This would include assistance with bathing, getting dressed, supervision, monitoring, assisting you with taking medications, and taking you to medical appointments. Again, your physician should indicate the projected length that you will require these benefits. In the next section, the doctor should indicate whether or not you are unable to work as a result of your injury sustained in the accident. If the doctor is unsure how long you will be disabled and wishes to monitor you to determine whether or not you will be disabled for a lengthy period of time, the doctor should indicate that the period is undetermined. In later attending physician's reports, the doctor may change the date to a date certain or may provide additional information to the insurance company on this issue. On the second page of the form, the physician should state whether or not you were hospitalized and indicate the location of your hospitalization and the dates of your hospitalization. If you are still under the care of this doctor for treatment related to the accident, the doctor should indicate that on the form. The form should then be signed and dated by your physician and either submitted by the doctor directly to your insurance company or given to you so you could submit the form yourself.
Today, I gave you instructions on how to complete forms that should be submitted to your insurance company in order to obtain no-fault benefits. Before submitting these forms, I recommend that you consult with an attorney to have the attorney review the forms to make sure that they were properly completed. Also, there are strict time limitations involved with submitting claims for benefits. Therefore, again, please consult with an attorney before submitting the claims, and also consult with an attorney to make sure that the claims are being properly submitted. In addition, if you can request a free copy of my book, which goes over the different time limitations and different types of claims that can be submitted to your insurance company.